How's it going? Dave here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking all about the harmonic minor scale and its modes. So the harmonic minor scale is a really exotic sounding scale, and its modes can create some really interesting sounds. So for each mode I'm going to talk a little bit about the intervals and what chord to play the mode over, and then I'm going to show you how to play each mode itself and also a lick in that mode so that you can get a feel for the sound of the mode. Let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's talk about the harmonic minor scale itself. So the harmonic minor scale is just like a minor scale, except we have a raised seventh. So the intervallic structure of the scale is root, second, flat third, fourth, fifth, flat sixth, and major seventh. That major seventh really gives the scale an exotic kind of sound and allows us to play dominant chords on the fifth, creating a dominant 5-to-1 kind of resolution, which is really cool. The one chord is a minor major 7 chord. It has a really interesting, mysterious kind of sound. Let's jump into how to play the scale, and I'll show you how to play the minor major 7 chord as well. Alright, so let's take a look at how to play the harmonic minor scale. So every scale is going to have a root note of A in today's lesson, so we're going to be playing the A harmonic minor scale. So this is how you play it. 5, 7, 8 on the low E string, 5, 7, 8 on the A string, 6, 7, 9 on the D string, 5, 7 on the G string, 5, 6, 9 on the B string, and 5, 7, 8 on the high E string. And as I said, you can play it over a minor major 7 chord, which looks like this. So let's jump into a lick where I am playing the harmonic minor scale. So the second mode of the harmonic minor scale is the Locrian natural 6 scale. You're going to be playing this over a minor 7 flat 5 chord, and the intervallic structure of the scale is root, flat second, flat third, fourth, flat fifth, natural 6th, and flat 7th. So just like a Locrian scale, however you pronounce it, but with a raised 6th. So let's show you how to play the chords and scales and a little example as well. This is how you play the Locrian natural 6 scale with a root note of A. So we're playing 5, 6, 8 on the low E string. Then we're playing 5, 6 on the A string. Then we're playing 4, 5, 7, 8 on the D string. Then we're playing 5, 7, 8 on the G string. Then 7, 8 on the B string, then 5, 6, 8 on the high E string. And you can play this over a minor 7 flat 5 chord, which looks like this, or this. So let's take a listen to a solo. The third mode of the harmonic minor scale is the Ionian sharp 5 scale. So what we've got here is we've got a major scale, but the 5th degree is raised by a semitone. Just like a major scale, but a bit more spicy. So very interesting sound. It's played over a major 7 sharp 5 chord. Let's show you how to play the scale and how to play the major 7 sharp 5 chord and a lick as well. The third mode, Ionian sharp 5, this is how you play it. So we're going to be playing 5, 7 on the low E string. Then we're going to be playing 4, 5, 8 on the A string. Then 4, 6, 7 on the D string. Then 4, 6, 7 on the G string. 6, 7 on the B string. And then 4, 5, 7 on the high E string. And we play this over a major 7 sharp 5 chord, which looks like this. Very nice sounding chord, in my opinion. So now let's listen to a Ionian sharp 5 solo. The fourth mode of the harmonic minor scale is the Dorian sharp 4 scale. Now the Dorian sharp 4, as implied by the name, is just like a Dorian scale but with a sharp 4. So the intervallic structure is root, second, flat third, sharp 4th, 5th, 6th, and a flat 7th. And you can play this scale over a minor 7 chord. So let's jump into how to play the scale and a little lick with the scale. 4th mode, Dorian sharp 4. Let's look at how we can play this. So we're playing 5, 7, 8 on the low E string, 6, 7 on the A string, 4, 5, 7 on the D string, 4, 5, 8 on the G string, 5, 7, 8 on both the B strings and E strings. And you can play this over a minor 7 chord, which I'm assuming you know. If not, that's what it looks like. So let's listen to a little lick in Dorian sharp 4. The 5th mode is probably the most commonly used mode of the harmonic minor scale, and it is called the Phrygian Dominant scale. So the Phrygian Dominant scale is just like a Phrygian scale, but with a raised third. So we have root, flat 2nd, major 3rd, 4th, 5th, flat 6th, flat 7th. And you can play this over a dominant 7th chord as well. So let's jump into how to play the scale. The Phrygian Dominant scale, let's take a look at how to play that. So we are playing 5, 6, 9 on the low E string, 5, 7, 8 on the A and D strings, 6, 7 on the G string, 5, 6, 8 on the B string, and 5, 6, 9 on the E string. And you can play this over a major chord or a dominant 7 chord, which looks like that. So let's listen to a little solo. The 6th mode is Lydian sharp 2, and again, just like the name suggests, it's just like a Lydian scale but with a raised 2nd degree. So we are playing root, sharp 2nd, 3rd, sharp 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. And you can play this over a major 7 chord. Let's jump straight into how to play it. The Lydian sharp 2 scale, I like to play this pretty much the same as the Phrygian Dominant scale, but obviously starting on the 2nd note of the Phrygian Dominant scale. But because we're starting in A, the frets are going to be a little bit different. So let's just show you how to play with the root of A. So 5, 8 on the low E string, 4, 6, 7 on the A string, 4, 6, 7 on the D string, 5, 6 on the G string, 4, 5, 7 on the B string, and 4, 5, 8 on the high E string. And we play that over a major 7 chord. Let's listen to a cool little lick using the Lydian sharp 2 scale. The final mode of the harmonic minor scale is the Superlocrian double flat 7 scale. Now that is a bit of a mouthful. I've heard it named the Mixolydian sharp 1 scale, but I don't like naming scales where we alter the first note. That's weird. So Superlocrian double flat 7. So what this scale consists of is root, flat 2nd, flat 3rd, flat 4th, flat 5th, flat 6th, and double flat 7th. If you don't know what a double flat 7th is, it is just basically enharmonically equivalent to a major 6th. And you want to play the scale over a diminished 7th chord. So let me show you how to play the scale itself and how to play a diminished 7th chord as well, and then we'll jump into a solo. Okay, finally, the Superlocrian double flat 7 scale. Let's look at how we can play that. So we're starting on the 5th fret again, 5, 6, 8 on the low E string, 4, 6, 8 on the A string, 4, 7, 8 on the D string, 5, 6, 8 on the G string, 6, 7 on the B string, and then 5, 6, 8 on the high E string. So let's listen to how a lick would sound in Superlocrian double flat 7. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Lots and lots of stuff to get on with. Lots and lots of different exotic sounds to experiment with in your playing and compositions. If you want a backing track for every one of these modes to play along with, just like what you heard in the solos, then head to the description, and at my Patreon page I've got 7 different backing tracks for each mode of the harmonic minor scale. There I also have tabs in PDF and Guitar Pro format for those of you who want to learn the licks. If you enjoyed the video, please click like, let me know what you thought in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. Now, if one of the things you're looking to improve in your playing is your chord progressions and you want to write really awesome sounding chord progressions, also head to the description, and there are the first 2 chapters of my book, which I'm giving away for free. Those first 2 chapters are going to show you how to write a solid diatonic chord progression in a major or a minor key, and then it's going to show you how you can add 7ths, 9ths, 11ths, 13ths, all these cool different extensions to those chords to make your chord progressions sound a bit more jazzy, a bit more sophisticated, and a bit more awesome. So if you're interested in improving your chord progressions, definitely check that out down below in the description. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.